This is the new automatic create connectors tool, which we're going to use to add connectors between the base of this model and the heart blood pool. We choose from 3 algorithms: center lines, designed for linear objects like bones and blood vessels; voxelization, more for general purpose kind of blocky items; and center to center, which connects two objects by their centers. We'll go with voxelization. Set our two surfaces and some parameters to control the connector spacing, connector radius, and preview. If we're not happy with some of these connectors, we can remove them from the preview before generating the connectors, and we can also reposition and reorient the connectors before they are created. As before, we choose to trim the connectors or not with our input surfaces, and when we're happy, we click Create to add the connectors to the project.